In this video, you will see all the current product series of Novsight. They covering all scenarios. Whether you are a mild off-road player, hardcore player or custom player, there must be something you like. Now, let's take a look. The first one I will introduce to you is the Halo series LED pod lights. The ring-shaped daytime running lights. Its design inspiration comes from F1 racing cars. If there are some rainy and foggy day or some extreme situations, like when you go to the Gobi, that our off-road vehicle has a non-searchlight mode. Only with a daylight mode, our Halo light would help us play a good amber light role, which can help improve driving safety. But in addition to practicality, we also focus on the appearance. The Halo series has three sizes: 6-inch, 4.5-inch, and 3-inch. Each of them is suitable for most of the off-road cars in the world. We have many installation cases. You can go to Novsight.com to check it out. The off-road light not just a lighting tool installed on your vehicle, but also an important thing to enhance the appearance. As you can see that we installed 4 sets of 4.5-inch pods light installed on the roof of car. The middle 3 sets use a spotlight type, and 1 set on each side for floodlight, to illuminate the entire road ahead. In addition to the light pattern I just mentioned, it can greatly improve the overall appearance. It's very significant. This year, we have extended to new version for the Halo series pod light. One is the Halo SE version and the other one is the Pro version. This is Halo SE version, and that is the Halo Pro version. Let's start with the SE version. When you hear the name is SE, you know it's the cost-effective version. It's cheaper than the current Halo standard version, about $300 to $400 per set. Its main appearance is the same as the Halo series standard version, but its light color has changed. It features red and white daytime running lights, unlike the Halo standard version, which includes the yellow light. Our Halo series standard version, this one is $429 for 6-inch. Then this SE version is about $380. You have more choices this year. But SE version's power has been upgraded, more powerful than standard version. Let's feel the brightness of this Halo series SE version of lights. After SE version, let's talk about the Halo Pro version. As you can see, Halo Pro version and the Halo standard version, their appearance is exactly the same. So what new features has it added? It is the new design of the entire dynamic daytime running light. Each light is equipped with up to 15 dynamic flowing daytime running light modes. The Pro version light each mode has 2 versions of yellow and white and more amazing running daylight mode. For example, this name is breathing version light, then press it again, and it turns white. Then other modes are the same. When you press the button again, it will turn into a white flowing mode. You can see the white one, because I'm wearing the cover, so it's yellow. Other running light modes are the same, yellow and white. It will look when you press the button. You can use 2 buttons to switch. Now, let's take a look at the Halo series Pro version LED pod lights. These are the Halo Pro version of 6-inch, 4.5-inch, and 3-inch. You can find more amazing installation cases of Halo series pod lights on off-road cars on our Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook page. This year, on the basis of the Halo series standard version, we have updated the Pro version. Why is this version called the Pro series? In addition to updating the function of the flowing daytime running light, we also upgraded the power. Each light bead at 5 watts, it more powerful than the previous version. For example, our 6-inch standard version, it has a power of 60 watts per bulb. For our 6-inch Pro version, each one will have 80 watts of power. The overall brightness will be higher. Meanwhile, we also optimized the light cup inside, and it will solve the feedback that we received from the market before. So this Pro version is definitely worth the money. the Pro version, in addition to the regular 6, 4.5 and 3. We also updated an 8-inch and a 20-inch LED light bar. Wow, they appear very large, even larger than my face. This is what we launched this year. They also in the Pro series, the Halo 8-inch pod lights. Its overall size is very large. It's especially suitable for pickup trucks like Ranger. As you can see, the front of the car with this bar and the spotlights, it looks very fierce. The main design point of these 8-inch pod lights. In addition to the increase in size, you can see that whole appearance. We have also redesigned and optimized it. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9 light beads in total. Our Halo series 8-inch LED pod lights feature 2 main light zones. Spotlight zone. Floodlight zone. In addition to focusing and diffusing light, the design places more emphasis on automotive applications. It also has an aesthetic appeal, so the 3-function spotlight, floodlight, and driving light can all be satisfied simultaneously. In the past, you might have needed to install a pair of 6-inch LED pod lights on the front bumper and 3-inch LED pod lights on the pillar simultaneously. Now you only need on this one. As a member of the Pro series, the Halo 8-inch in addition to its overall strength, its appearance are also very huge. Take a look at its design details together. As you can also see, its front face is divided into 2 large areas. Then, the flowing shape is similar to that of our 6-inch. Then let me take off the cover. You can see the entire design details. The circle of our lamp from a smooth and frosted one before to a grid pattern. The texture is very good. You can see closely that between each light cup has this contour line design, which also represents a manifestation of our off-road spirit. Then, for each light cup, especially the side light cups, we have done the grid pattern treatment. In this way, allows the light to spread out more, to expand the lighting range. It's also a very practical new design. In the middle, you can see there is a glass lens. This lens can be responsible for a lighting distance of over 500 meters. After looking at the 8-inch pod light of the Halo Pro series, let's take a look at a very special new member, the 20-inch LED light bar of the Halo series. It is different from the market some common long light bar designs on the market, that they are all very thin and long. Our 20-inch LED light bar also has all the design languages of the Halo series, including a silver frame, color-coordinated details, and the full-flowing water pattern and high-performance light cup design. You can see the detail of the 20-inch light bar. First, there is a daylight running light throughout the frame, continuing our Halo's design language. And then here, you can see there are 2 floodlight cups. There are 2 on each side of the lamp. Their function is mainly to spread all the front lights more evenly and scatter them wider, helping achieve broader side lighting. The middle part is a non-direct light cup. We've used the reflective light cup design, which ensures light is spread evenly across the front of the vehicle. Not only that, it is also a light bar that combines multiple light types. The third light area is our corner light area. It can achieve constant and flashing functions, so its warning function is the same as that of the daytime running light. This 20-inch light bar, the usual recommended installation position is the front bumper of the vehicle. If you have a horn-shaped bumper like this car, the installation is also very convenient. You just need to punch a hole here. But if you need to install it on the roof, we will probably recommend a light bar to be spliced together and to be put together, so that they can reach a 40-inch size. In addition to the regular color of the Halo series and the silver and orange color scheme, we will also launch a black upgraded version, but not too soon. Both sizes are available in the future, so you can choose our products based on your color preferences. In this year, we will also update an aircraft switch product. It is a Bluetooth wireless 6-way aircraft switch. You can see this 6-way aircraft switch. The overall appearance is very meta style, which is very cool. When you move the lever of the aircraft switch, its red backlight will light up correspondingly, and the corresponding function will also be turned on. This is not a broken light, but our new flash button. The 8-way switch features a strobe function. You can control it by pressing buttons or voice functions to control its on and off or alarm. We are also the first to introduce the voice control function. Okay, let's experience this voice function. First, we turn on the voice control button. Hey, Novsight.
I am here.
Turn on channel 8.
Got it.
The corresponding switch is turned on. Turn off channel 8.
Got it.
Channel A is flashing. Yes, it's amazing. The appearance of this Cyber series of spotlights is very cyberpunk. It's our 6-inch spotlights of the Cyber series. It is very suitable for those who like armored style or some heavy-duty style vehicles. Its detailed introduction video is also on Novsight.com. If you're interested, you can check it out. This is our X series, that new product on sale this year. Its overall design is very bold. The entire X-shaped design is everywhere. As you can see that we choose 5 sets of lights to install on our vehicle. And also 2 sets pods on the pillar. The unique looking that you would never get tired of it. It also continues on Novsight brand's design style, which means high appearance. And then, the iconic daytime running light design. In addition to the X-shaped daytime running lights, the entire front light beams, and the slightly side-emitting lens design. And the lens design can illuminate the entire road ahead, that we call a driving light. They were already available for sale in December 2024 in North America. In just 2 months, we have sold more than 3,000 sets of this X-series LED pod light. So it can be seen that everyone loves this product, and its price is also very cost-effective. A pair of this X-series 4-inch LED pod light only costs $129. Now at only just $99 on sale. You can even enjoy more 15% off your first order. Alright, here is Novsight. If you wanna look shine, just get off-road lights by Novsight. This video will end here. We will continue to launch more and better products. Not just off-road spotlights, we also have other products, such as airplane switches, the all-in-tent, camping desk, chair and more. If you like us, don't forget to follow us. Thank you all. See you in the next video.